Good morning children, welcome back to my session. In the last class we have learned about the properties, okay. In that we have learned 4 properties but we discussed about only 3 properties, right? That is SSS congruency and SAS and ASA congruency rule. Okay, now today we are going to discuss about now RHS property, okay. RHS congruency, okay, or property. So RHS congruency means what? See here I have drawn triangle here. This clearly observed here, right angle triangle here, and one more right angle triangle here, okay. If you clearly observe there, I have drawn 2 right angles, okay. Is it clear? Okay children, see here I have drawn a right angle triangle here, and here I am applying the name for this ABC and PQR, okay. So here it is right angle, means right angle at B, and here in this triangle right angle at Q. As I told you in the triangles, the longest side of a right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. Do you remember children? The longest side of a right angle triangle is called hypotenuse, okay. That means among these 3, this is the longest side. In Pythagoras theorem also you have learned about hypotenuse, okay. So right angle triangle, okay, in the right angle triangle, the longest side is always called as hypotenuse, okay. Now, okay, how you are going to say this now are congruent, okay. RHS means obviously you all will feel right hand side. That is absolutely wrong. That is right hypotenuse side, okay, right hypotenuse side. Okay children, right hypotenuse side. Now here the longest side is AC, okay, and here it is PR, okay, here it is AC and here it is PR. So these 2 are hypotenuse, right? And if you clearly observe here ABC, that means angle ABC equals to, see here, when I am reading from ABC, you have read the other triangles the same way, PQR. So PQR. So that is each 90. Okay, that means both are 90 degrees. Now any one side, right angle, and any one side. So BC equals to QR, that is side. Okay. BC equals to QR is a side. That means, is it clear now? Hypotenuse, side and angle. Okay. So right hypotenuse side triangle. That means right hypotenuse means right, triangle means 90 degrees. Hypotenuse means this one, and side, any one of the side. Okay. Or better you just take here, it is a right angle triangle. That will be right. R. Okay, if any, but one thing you may understand, you get doubt there. Suppose the triangle is like this, okay, here the triangle is like this, then if you have drawn like this, means it's not compulsory that you have to draw in this way only. The right angle the right angle triangle can be drawn in many ways like this, and they can place 90 degrees like that, okay. Then you have to see that this is right angle 90 degrees, okay. So when it is 90 degrees only, you have to apply the right hypotenuse side, okay. Now by seeing all this, hypotenuse and one angle is 90 and side, then triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR, okay. Now how we are going to say this definition means, see here, if under correspondence the hypotenuse and one side of a right angle triangle the hypotenuse and one side of a right angle triangle respectively equals to hypotenuse and one side of another right angle triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent. Okay children, is it clear about the right angle triangle, right RHS, that means RHS property? Now here I am going to explain 7.2 sums. You may get doubt now sir where you have to write and everything. If you observe clearly, I will tell you the clear picture where to write. Today, okay, only just do in your homework book exercise 7.2 completely. How much? That means completely in the sense up to where I will tell, up to there you have to do in what? In homework book only. Is it clear? Don't feel that the sums are given more homework. Don't feel that more homework is given for today. Nothing like that. Everything is clearly given in your textbook 7.2 with figure and what sides are equal. Everything is given. Simply you have to tell that which property it is. That means SSS property, SAS or ASA or RHS. That's all. It's very easy children. So but in homework book also you have to draw the diagram and clearly everything what he has given in the question. Then only it looks very neat and we feel to give marks also. Okay, that means every time when any question have figures, compulsory in exams also you have to draw the figures. Okay, so at least by drawing the figures you can score some marks. Is it clear? Now I am going to explain now exercise 7.2. Okay, so get ready with that now. Okay children, now all of you open page number 143. Okay, page number 143. Listen my class and then write your homework by your own. Okay, see here the first question. Don't feel that what about exercise 7.1 and everything. I am going to explain tomorrow. Okay, but we'll finish up the chapter also even. Okay, so which congruency criteria do you use in the following? Okay, first sum I'll explain. Here's given the diagram like this. As I told you that in your homework book just draw even figure also. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, here in the first row A bit is given, everything is given. Just only we have to say which property it is. AC equals to DF, AB equals to EF, and AC equals to DF, AB equals to EF, AC equals to DF, AB equals to DE, AB equals to DE, BC equals to EF. Okay, so like this is given and it is given like this also. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Now everything is given for you. Actually question will be asked, they are given like this. Okay, and as I told you now, they will mark here one line, two lines. They will mark and from that you have to write this all. But here what happened? Everything is given. What equal or everything is given. Is it clear? So everything is given. So AC equals to DF. That means AC equals to DF. This is the side. Okay. Yes. AB equals to DE. AB equals to DE. This is also side. BC equals to EF. This is also side. Now by which property? That means by which congruency these two triangles are congruent. That means by which property also no problem. So by which property? By SSS congruency rule. By SSS congruency rule. Congruence rule. If you write like this, it is enough. Okay. So this is the question is given. This is only the answer. By SSS congruency rule. Okay children. Now you can write even B, C, D. First Roman A, B, C, D. Is it clear now? Now coming to the second question there, it is more easy here. Here they given like this. They are given two figures. In the second question, A, T, R and P, E, N. Okay. When you are reading A, R, T, you have to read this one P, E, N. Suppose you are reading E, N, P, then you have to write R, T, A. Okay. So please be very careful. Now here AR is given. And the question is asking AR equals to what? That means if you have to use SSS congruency, that means he has given that which congruency you have to use also. SSS means what? All sides are equal. Yes. That means in this comparing these two triangles, only sides will be equal. Yes or no? So AR equals to what he has given by using congruency rule, that also he has given for us. Now only we have to answer. The first one is AR equals to dash. Second one is RT equals to dash. And third one is AT equals to dash. That means he has given like that. AR means, see, compare these two triangles now. AR equals to PE. You have to write this answer, that's all. Then again you may get doubt now. Sir, can you answer in textbook? Yes. The second question you can answer in textbook. And 7.2 also you can answer. But don't be like that. Just write in your homework book. Now I am telling you clearly again. Only second question you answer in textbook. And third question. And okay, fourth question. Only first Roman in your homework book. Okay children? Now. So AR equals to PE. Now RT, here RT. RT means what? EN. Next AT. AT equals to PN. Why you have given only sides? Because he told there SSS congruency. If he has given any angles like that, in the second question it is given angle T equals to angle M. So remaining sides is asking what are equal. Okay. So you have to answer those. Similarly, the C bit also. And by using ASA criteria. By using ASA criteria. See there so many SSS property or SS criteria or SS congruence. Anything is same. Okay. Now, third question here. The triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. And he has given all the steps. PM equals to QM. What is PM and QM? Those are sides. In the reason, you have to write simply that side. Okay. PM equals to QM. You just observe this triangle here in third Roman. They are given the question here. PM equals to QM. What is PM equals to QM? Those are sides. That's the sides. Next, angle PM equals to angle QM. Angle. So like that you have to tell. And finally you have to say which rule. That means which criteria, like SSS or ASA or RHS or SA. Something. Whatever the four properties among these you have to answer. Now, fourth question. Angle ABC, they are given, all are angles given, all angles are given. Angle A30, angle B40, angle C110. And is asking, the student says that triangle, this means this is for triangle ABC. Similarly, has given for triangle PQR also. Angle P, angle Q and angle R is given. Is asking that a student, that means a student says that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by AAA congruency criteria. Is it justified? Why or why not? Is it possible? First of all, you just tell me, when he has given all the angles 30, 40, 110. How we are going to draw? First of all, 30, 40, 110 without the basic. That means without the base. That means this is the base. That means without a base, you cannot construct a house. So similarly, so without having a side, at least one side should be given. So at least one side if he has given, then we have chance to draw a triangle very easily. But here all the three angles are angles. So it is highly impossible to tell that this by AAA congruency rule, those two are congruent. Okay. Now, fifth question. I am going to explain tomorrow, because I have to explain something regarding corresponding parts. After that I am going to give you. So up to 4 sums homework. And why can't you try 7th sum as like a project? Like project means in the what? Activity. Once try the 7th question. Okay. Next. 10th sum also homework. Okay children. 10th sum also homework. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 10th. And 7th once you try. If not, we will explain. Okay. So up to what sums I have given, those sums you do it as a homework. Mostly by tomorrow I think I am going to finish this chapter. Okay. Okay. Have a nice day children.